welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit nature filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to 0.50. Contrast to -39. Highlights to -55. Shadows to 12. Whites to -100. And blacks to 17. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Tint to -11. Vibrance to -7. And Saturation to -19. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 109. Saturation to 3. Blending to 100. And balance to 35. For highlights, hue to 117. And saturation to 6. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to -12. Saturation to 6. And luminance to -15. For orange, hue to -6. Saturation to 9. And luminance to -9. For yellow, hue to 14. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -17. For green, hue to 19. Saturation to -47. And luminance to -41. For aqua, hue to -3. Saturation to -66. and luminance to 30. For blue, saturation to -100 and luminance to -18. For purple, saturation to -100 and luminance to 25. For pink, saturation to -100 and luminance to 25. Next, go to Effects. Texture to -9. Clarity to 18. Dehaze to -6. And Vignette to -26. And last, go to Detail. Noise reduction to 20. Contrast to 6. And color noise reduction to 30. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.